Most SAP landscape have APIs running with no real governance, no visibility into who's calling them, no centralized security, no rate limit protecting your backend. If that sounds familiar, you are in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome to Out of the Box EA. In this video, we were breaking down SAP API Management, what it is, how it's work, and why it is essential for every SAP professionals. Let's get straight into it. Before the solution, let's talk about the problem. And I want to think about your own SAP landscape as I go through this. First, no visibility. APIs are running, but you have no idea who is calling them, whether internal team or a partner or someone forgotten a script from 3 years ago. You have no idea. Second, zero security. If someone knows the endpoint URL, they can call it. No authentication, wide open. Third one, rate limit. One bad consumer sends thousands of requests and bring down your entire SAP backend. And the last fourth one, developer are stuck, waiting weeks in a queue just to connect to an API. So what exactly is SAP API management? Think of it as a control tower for all your API traffic. Just like air traffic control manages every plane in the sky, API management manages every API call in your landscape. It gives you four things out of the box. First one, an API gateway. One single entry point, every call goes through it, no exception. Second, a policy engine. You define the rules once, security, throttling, transformation, enforced automatically on every request. Next, analytic dashboard. Real-time visibility into who's calling what, how often, and where errors happen. And the last one, developer portal. A self-service marketplace where developer find APIs, test them, and subscribe without opening a single ticket. One important thing, SAP API Management part of Integration Suite on BTP. If you have Integration Suite, API Management is included. You just need to activate and configure it. SAP API Management has 5 core capabilities that make it enterprise grade. First, security and access control. API keys, OAuth 2.0, IP whitelisting, security policies. Your backend only ever see authenticated and validated requests. Second, traffic management. Rate limit, quotas, spike arrest, load balancing. One bad consumer cannot take down your system. And the third one, developer portal. Self-service API catalog, write console, instant subscription, onboarding in hours, not weeks. Fourth, analytics and monitoring. Real-time call volume, error breakdown, consumer leaderboard, full visibility at all time. And the fifth, last one, mediation and transformation. REST to SOAP, JSON to XML, custom error response, response catching. API management speak every language your system do. 5 capabilities, one platform, total control over API in your landscape. Let's wrap it up. SAP API Management is your control tower for all your API traffic. One gateway, 5 capabilities, complete governance. It's already inside SAP Integration Suite on BTP. No separate product to buy. In the next episode, we will go through hands-on building your first API proxy. If this helped, like this video, and if you have any question, please drop in comment section. Thanks everyone. Bye.